Hello, um welcome back to my channel. I hope you have been doing good. This is me once again trying to show you one of my videos. Right now I'm going to show you how to make a broad eyebrows. I actually found out that some people love their eyebrows to be broader, so I'm making a broader eyebrow without using the concealer. This is a little bit more difficult than the other one. I know I've done a video before. I'll put link below to show you how I did my eyebrows without concealer, but that one is a little bit slimmer, but this is going to be broader. So for those of you that love broad eyebrows, this video is for you. So therefore I'll begin by using my brush to give me a good and defined edge. Okay, then I don't forget my eye pencil. This should be sharp. I begin from the lower eyelid, the lower eye line, sorry. So since we want it to be broader, we go up from the eyelid here, make it a little wider. We get to this point, we join. We join the edges. Then we fill from the end, gradually with your pencil, just like so. When you get to the front, try to pick it up instead of going straight down like this. You fill it in, going upwards gradually, so it will look very natural. Then here at the front edge, try to pick it, pick to the end of your hairline. And here we have it. You can make it broader than this if you feel this is slimmer, but I feel that this is just for my face and I'm okay with this. Over to the next eyebrow, we do the same by starting from the bottom eye line. But you have to be very careful because it's broader. So as you're working with this, you're looking at this to make sure that it's as even as possible. Although you can never be perfect, but try to make it as even as possible. So the lower eyelid now. I'm looking at the other side to make sure it's even. Then I go to the upper one line. Go up a little, I join. Try to feel. I can be making corrections as I go if I feel that it's not as even as this. Try to go in here, then I fill up, go gradually filling up upwards to make it as natural as possible. Go to the very front eye hairline and feel lightly, as if you're playing with your pencil. Always remember that, as if you're playing with your pencil. Now I've done this, I have to spot out any unevenness on both eyes now. I have to be sure that at least I've made both sides even. Now looking at this side, this place is a little bit broader. So what do you think I should do? I have two options. I can use my hand to just go straight sharp, or I can actually fill this up to make this as even as this. If I feel this eyebrow is broad and nice on me. Okay, this is a little bit broader, but I can actually add a little bit here to make this as even as this. So simple. So I go here by here, I just add to the line, following the other side. I fill up. Now I use my thumb to try to make sure that both edges are not so sharp. I go using this, just rub on it a little bit, not to have so much sharp edge, make it as natural as possible. I go over to the next one and I do the same. Now you can go upwards, because remember I did the line strokes upwards at the edge here. Now I've gotten my eyebrow, brother eyebrow, but there's something you must understand about brother eyebrows. For you to be doing brother eyebrows, you have to be very careful, because you can easily see any mistake, you easily spot out any mistake, and most of the time some people don't actually get it. Brother eyebrows are mainly used for when you know you want to use eye concealers, so that to correct any form of eyebrow mistakes. But I believe that when you keep on working with when you keep on practicing, you will get to perfect in whatever you do. That's my logic. So these are my bird eyebrows, perfect bird eyebrows without using the concealer. So I'll encourage you to keep on practicing, doing it, and with time you'll get it. Thank you very much for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to click on the like button. Share this video with people that will be helpful to them, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's better you subscribe so you can be able to get my videos all the time, and don't forget to put on the notification button, so once my video comes in, you get it immediately. So please don't forget to like, share my videos, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Remember, that's why I'm here, and that's why you're here. Thank you. Till we meet again in my next video. Bye for now.